What's up, everybody? I'm with Daniel here. He's installing our insulation in our ADU, and I just want to ask Daniel, like, basically, if you could just walk us through the process and kind of let us know what's going on.
Let's do it. So this is the insulation. It's called rock wool. This is for soundproof. So this is special for water. It's water resistant, soundproof, and it's more compact than usual R13 or R15. So this one is better if you have like bathrooms, kitchens, everything.
Yeah, we have the bedrooms on that side, so it keeps it a lot. It'll keep it quiet, right?
Yep. On the other side, we have R19.
Okay.
So on this side.
Okay, this is gonna be the kitchen area and kind of living room.
Yeah, we have here 2x6. So that we have to put R19.
Okay.
And here we have some parts with 2x4, so we have to put R15.
So the number, the higher the number, what does that mean?
So the higher the number is, there's R19 is 6 inches.
Okay.
So the one is more thicker. 15
okay.
or 13 is the same thickness, but this one, the R15, is more compact. So
oh,
more
got you.
Thick.
Okay.
All right, and so during the process of the installation, you seal any points any cables that goes through the ceiling.
Oh, okay.
Has to be sealed.
How are you sealing that?
So we seal. You can see in this part. You can see we seal the pipes.
Oh, nice. Okay, so you
that,
sealed all that.
Yeah. So.
Is that just expandable foam or something?
Yeah, expand foam. That one is special for fire or everything. So.
Okay.
So we have to seal everything. Make sure everything is sealed.
Okay.
Before we put the insulation.
Okay.
So this is gonna be more energy efficient for the whole unit.
Gotcha.
So when you have the AC on or the heater on, with the insulation, it's gonna keep the temperature inside the house.
It's gonna be like an ice box in here.
Yeah. If you have like cracks or openings.
Yeah.
That's why sometimes the AC is kicking because you have gaps, cracks.
Got you.
You have to seal everything.
Okay, beautiful. All right, so you did the walls here yesterday, and then today you're. What are you working on today?
We're gonna do the ceiling.
Okay.
We're gonna install the insulation up in the rafters.
Okay.
We're gonna start putting here in this middle wall.
And is that basically the same type of insulation for the ceiling?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just gonna put the one is craft, so we're able to staple to the beams.
Okay. So it's got craft paper in the back, and then you staple it up there.
Yep.
Okay.
And we're gonna put some R30 here.
Some where?
Here.
Oh, okay.
On the 2x8.
Okay, gotcha.
And here's some R30 in these rooms.
So the bedrooms get R30?
Yeah.
Okay, and what about the bathroom?
The bathroom, we have R15 right here. It's gonna have R38 too.
Nice. Okay.
So everything is gonna be insulated. It's gonna be good.
So you started yesterday, you're gonna also work today, and then you said you're finishing tomorrow, so it's pretty much like a 3-day job to get all this done?
Not 3-day job, it's just by myself.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's gonna be 3 days because I wanna do it like everything, like detail.
Yeah, no, it looks great. It looks like a big puzzle.
Yeah.
It looks really good. And the soundproofing, I'm really excited to kind of see how it works out. So you did the walls yesterday. You're going to do the ceiling today. Is there anything other than the bedrooms, anything above, or that's it?
We're going to do above as well.
You're going to do above as well? Yeah. Oh, nice. With what?
So we're going to capsule everything. So
okay.
It's gonna be...
Oh, so in between up here, this is all going to be insulated?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Okay. And then there'll be drywall over all of everything. Awesome, Daniel. That was great information. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you. See you next time.
All right. Peace. Daniel, how did it go?
Good, good. We almost finished putting all the installation.
Okay, so
Okay.
let's take a look around and he could kind of explain a little bit.
Perfect. We have the R38 in the ceilings.
Okay.
So it's 12 inches thickness of insulation.
Yeah, it looks great, man. It's like a puzzle.
Yeah, we have R15 in the walls.
Okay.
For all the walls are R15.
Uh-huh.
Over there in the high ceiling we have R19
Okay.
craft. So we have to tip it to the rafters.
Uh-huh.
And on this side we have as well the soundproof insulation.
Yep. You talked about that the other day.
Yeah, with this silent channels.
Yeah, the channels should absorb the vibrations, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then they're gonna put this drywall and it's gonna be
Nice.
good for sound.
Nice. Yeah, and this room's all finished up as well.
Yep.
All right. Overall, how did the job go for you?
Pretty good. Everything is gonna be good. This house is gonna be
I could already feel the difference.
cool environment.
Yeah. Was there any challenges or any issues that you came up with?
Oh, everything is good. All the framing, everything, all the work is being good.
I know it's hard to find some of the materials, right?
Yeah, right now because of COVID and all these situations that we're
Supply issues
right now.
and yeah. But other than that, it looks really good, brother.
everything. They did a really good job in the framing. Everything
Yeah.
is really good.
Awesome. All right, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
See you guys.
See
Thank
ya.
you.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. All right, peace.